Have you implemented the LinkedIn toolbox from my program or walked through the 5 steps to an effective marketing plan? Signed up for how to rock 12 post template challenge or went through the LinkedIn visibility challenge or read one of my ebooks? If you have, then it's possible that you're ready for the next step. The LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind is designed for people just like you. They've read the books, they know all the moving pieces, but now they need to implement it. They may even have a very simple marketing plan, but sitting there by themselves, it's really hard to execute it. The biggest thing that the LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind provides is accountability and consistency. We have a program that allows you to get together with other entrepreneurs that are just like you. Believe it or not, most people either don't have a marketing plan, have a minimal one, or spend a lot of time and money building one, and now they don't know how to implement it. You may think you're the only one, but you're not. And that's where this mastermind came from. My clients were asking, can you build something to help us work through what we've built to make sure that we stay accountable to actually execute that plan and also have the consistency to show up each day? Through our 2 meetings each month, a mastermind meeting with everyone who is in the mastermind, where you can ask your questions, get feedback, or just bounce ideas off of people that understand where you are and have been either ahead of you or maybe have the same questions, and you can help hash out where you are going. You can stop being caught up in your office, banging your head against the wall, thinking, should I send this email? Should I build this landing page? Or will this post even do anything for me? Instead, you can get together with people, build your ideas, get answers to your questions, and then move forward to the next step. Our second meeting is an implementation session, which is what my clients were asking for the most. They had it, but then they couldn't find the time to do it. And this is a chance for you to set time aside, put yourself on your calendar, and make sure that it gets done. So, in the implementation session, through co working, support, and a little bit of masterminding in between, we help you execute and implement your plan so that you can actually make forward progress in your business and get that marketing going. So, the LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind could be for you if you've done all the things and now you're ready to actually do the next thing to make an impact in your business.